Hey folks, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, Mike Harrison's Artworks. That's where you're at now, and I appreciate you stopping by. Let's go check out my latest piece I'm working on. It's actually in a brand new house that I had given the opportunity to lock the door of my car. Given the opportunity to redo the surface of an island countertop, and I'm going to share with you what I've been working on, and kind of maybe you had some questions one day about how to sand down and restain and re-seal the top. Kind of hot out here. All right, let's go check out. I put the first coat on already. I've already sanded it down and stained it to like a faux finish on it. Hello! Nobody home. I knew there was nobody in here. All right, here's where I'm at so far. Let me turn this fan off so you can hear me. All right, I am, oh yeah, it's definitely dry. The first coat, shiny. I'll tell you a little bit about it. This was a butcher block. I think it was like Lowe's, Home Depot, something like that. Big old slab was brought in, and they asked me to sand the whole top, the manufacturer finish off. So I sanded the whole entire surface off and then restained it with water-based Minwax stain. And then highlighted it a little here and there to kind of give it, I wanted to kind of match the floor. For 4 hours of sanding. Started with like a 40 grit sandpaper, and then I went to an 80 grit sandpaper, then 120 grit sandpaper. 4 hours later, got it sanded down. It is what it is. The finish that was on there was very, very tough, which was, I guess, supposed to be that way, so it lasts. Anyway, this was dry now for the first coat. I'm using, if you're wondering what I'm using, it is the Minwax oil modified polyurethane. So yeah, I'm gonna do many coats of that as possible. Sand between coats. I think they recommend 320. I got me, well, it's buried under here. Got some 320 grit. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it, sand this first coat down. Usually when you put your first coat on, it raises the wood grain, the hairs a little bit, and it makes it, kind of hear the texture on there. Makes it a little textury. So yeah, I'm gonna get this first coat lightly scuffed, put the second coat on it, let it dry obviously, scuff it, put the third coat on there, let it dry, come back tomorrow and scuff it, and then put a final top coat on it, and it should be ready. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. Oh yeah, here's the bench that I finished on the latest video. Custom built this little bench here. Put a little, put the lid there, so if anybody wanted to store anything, they're gonna put a cushion on it, and I have it, I guess you could just sit right here and watch the beautiful flowers blossom out there in the yard and watch the butterflies fly by. Yeah, stain the beams. I did all the beams, put the stain on those and everything. So yeah, beautiful house built by Breezy Properties out here in Myrtle Beach area. They're an amazing, amazing construction crew. They asked me to build some shelves, so I built some shelves for them. And now I'm working on the island bar top. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a great drive. Hey, have a great drive, because you might be watching my video while you're driving. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. And stay tuned for part 2 on this one. I'll do a part 2 on the end results on this beautiful faux finished island top. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.